In today's video, I will show you how you can earn money just by downloading apps with minimal effort. To get started, you need to navigate to the Google Play Store, or if you are using an iPhone. Both platforms, the App Store hosts a collection of apps. But for this example, I'll be focusing on the Google Play Store to walk you through the process of filling apps that make easy money on your phone. They facilitate your intelligence. Guys, so let's make things easier with our first AI advancement app. The app is called Uprock. It has over 100,000 downloads by any measure. I predict this app will reach 1 million downloads in no time. To get started, simply download and install the app, and I'll give you a guided tour of list features as started on our website. Earn passive income. It works as an AI-powered inventor that provides real-time and details insights for content creators. Brands and companies rest assured this app is completely safe to use. It offers an innovative concept that install the program and effortlessly start the acquisition process is simple. And the website provides a detailed step-by-step installation guide that ensure complete user friendliness after installation. A profitable pilot acts as a starting point for your revenue journey. Before continuing with the video, be sure to subscribe us and press the bell button to stay informed about our tutorials. Here we delve into the fascinating realm of a pioneering program known as the well-known Google Dollar, named for its mission to distribute universal UBI basic income in the form of digital currencies. Facing financial difficulties as well as people looking for extra income, the source of the good dollar's distinctive character lies in its ability to unite the cryptocurrencies community, and at the same time it extends a helping hand through free earnings when you visit their website, a public good that unlocks the human potential that is digital basic income. The platform has an impressive track record with 640,000 people on board, facilitating 6 million in transactions and a remarkable 13x money growth. Isn't it interesting to explore the potential benefits and possibly participate in this global digital basic income innovative? You can easily sign up and join the revolutionary efforts. Despite its current download count of well over $100,000, which has already earned an impressive 4.3 out of 5 stars, indicating its user-friendly interface and positive reception due to its unique approach to financial inclusion. As more and more discover the benefits of the good dollar, its user base grows to millions, so sees the opportunity to embark on a journey into the world of good dollar, where global basic income meets the digital realm. This is the end of our exploration of the second app in this fascinating journey toward effortless and ethical earnings. The name of the next program is Traffic Monetizer, our special application to earn money using your internet connection by exploring their website, introduce the snake aspect to the field of online income. We come across a catchy tagline: share your internet connection and earn money online basic plan, all with the rule of higher payouts. At the heart of profitability lies a fundamental question of why we should pay for your traffic. They are extra internet back. This innovative approach taps into the vast potential of the nearly 99% unused bandwidth that most people have available for every connected devices by offering an enticing proposition with a 350,000 user base and divisive 4.1 out of 5 rate and earn an average of $29, so it has gained significant popularity, and with 1 million downloads the increase and downloads emphasizes its effectiveness and attractive to users, cementing its position as a valuable addition to your portfolio of internet sharing programs in a dynamic landscape of passive income opportunity. Therefore, an important role in combining several internet sharing programs on your device, including a moneymaker, allows you to use the collective potential and optimize your income. The next program that I want to introduce is called Cash Ribbon. We begin another journey into the realm of passive income by sharing your internet connection, each of which may offer distinct benefits, and having a diverse selection will increase your earning potential as much as your cash counterparts. And it turns out that the more devices in use, the higher your potential earnings. The app has a user-friendly interface that makes it easy to monitor and control shared data. Given their data sharing 33 gigabytes per day potentially generates about $100 per device. The flexibility of this model extends to inviting friends and family, create affiliates that collectively contribute to your income. Basically, this short yet comprehensive video serves as a time-saving guide that provides you with a collection of programs that can turn your downtime into a profitable endeavor. A strategic combination of these internet sharing programs will not only maximize your income but also simplify the process and save you from the tedious work of independently scoring opportunities.